Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to check some overview on same-site cookie options in .NET Core application. So these same-site cookie options are it is belongs to cookie, not belongs to any technology like .NET or Angular application or some Java application. But here I am going to show with the help of some .NET applications. Okay, these same-site cookie applications are related to cookie and the browser behavior. So it will be same for all the technologies. Okay. So what is same-site cookie options? So same-site cookie options is used by the browser to determine whether to attach or remove the cookie for a request. Okay, so using this same-site cookie that was sent by the server while when cookie is created, that option will be used by the browser. So this is because of security purpose only, because to avoid someone to iframe our websites like that. Okay, so these options are helpful, but there are cases when we want to expose our website everywhere, like iframe in other websites, or they can have links of our website like promotional ads. Okay, there are cases, right? So in those cases, we have to we might have to add some different options that are provided by the same site cookie. Okay, so as per .NET Core, what are the options provided us by the .NET Core are like four, like strict mode, lax, and unspecified. And we are going to check them lively with a .NET Core application, how they behave when we specify each of them. Okay. So for my demo purpose, okay, I have created two .NET Core MVC application. So here you can see one is like cookie app and another one is third party app. So now what I will do here, I will use the login cookie for checking all sitemaps. So the sitemap is any cookie, but for my demo, I am using it for login cookie. Okay, it will be applied for any cookie. Please remember that. Okay, so here what I will do in my cookie app, if I want to go to home page, I must be logged in. See here, it is redirecting back. Okay, only when I am logged in, I can access my home page. Okay. In third party app, what I'm going to do means I'm giving my cookie app link here. When I click how it will behave, we will check based on the sitemap option. And also I will add this URL as an iframe in this website. I'm going to show in upcoming steps that one. Okay. So we will check. So we will check all the options uh, that same site option providers. Okay. So let's first understand the same site cookie option, how it will work. So strict, first option I am going to show is strict. So here you can check same type strict option cookie for a request. When it will add cookie for the request. When our cookie is mentioned as strict for same site, when it will work, when it will add cookie for the request. So when we open our website directly on browser, okay, so I have shown you two websites, right? Like my app cookie and third app. So here, when I open myappcookie.com into the browser directly, at that time, same site strict will passes the cookie for every subsequent request. And also navigating within the website, navigating within my app cookie website, it will work. So when it removes the cookie for request, or suppose navigating from the third party websites through hrefs. So if our cookie is strict and when I click on a third party website where it had href for my app cookie, when I click on it, it won't pass the cookies because of the mode strict. And it also won't work for the iframe. So let's check them lively, these points. Okay. So coming to the project, I have created two projects, cookie app and third party cookie. Okay. So both are MVC applications, .NET Core 5 latest version I am using. And here what I did means in cookie app started, I'm using identity, Microsoft identity login. Okay. So I am using this type of configuration to change the sitemap options to my uh, cookie, identity cookie. There are a lot of ways, but for identity cookie, this is the way. Okay. So here you can see options dot cookie dot same site. I have assigned same site mode to strict. Okay. So if I log in, my cookie will be created as a same site as a strict. And coming to the third party application, okay, here I have index.cshtml. This is from third party application. What I have did means here I am uh, added a home page URL to the href. Okay, in the index page in the third party application, and in the privacy page I just iframed the home page. For now, just remove the HTTP. Okay, so in index page I am giving href link. In privacy page I am using iframe. That was for third party app. So these apps I hosted locally. I have shown you, right? I hosted locally. And for index page, I have added for my app cookie index page, I have added on controller level authorize attribute. That's why it is redirecting to login page. Okay. So that is the overview of my project. So let's test them cookie options. Since I have enabled cookie mode to strict, right? Now if I log in, if I check my cookie created as a strict one. So let's check it. So I'm logging. Okay, now I am successfully logged in and I am able to land on my home page. So if I inspect, okay, and in the application, go for my cookieapp.com. So these .coms are not hosted at the real server. These are hosted in my local server itself. Okay, we can and go to this is my cookie. See here, same site is strict mode. Okay, our cookie has created as strict. Identity application is my login cookie. Okay, it is created as strict. So I am successfully logged in and my cookie is strict. Now I am going to third party application. So here, if I click here, I have already logged in, right? Now I want to go to home page of my cookie from my third party application. If I click, I won't. Uh, I will redirect to login page because cookie won't be transferred. See, I am keep clicking my app cookie. You can observe. See, it is transferred, but I am already logged in the browser. But when I come from third-party application, it is redirecting me back to login page because cookie is not traveled with the request from the third-party website. See, and when I hit on home page, I am able to see the login because from the browser within my app cookie, I am able to uh, stay on the home page. But when I come from mycookieapp.com, okay, showing the redirecting back to the login page. That is because cookie is not transferred from the third party website because of the cookie was registered as a same site as strict mode. Okay, that is one case which fails when our cookie is in strict mode. Okay, so real time scenarios, our applications can be rendered as ads in other websites like Facebook, some social networks. When they click, they won't show because of this issue. That's why most of them don't use strict mode. Okay. Now check for the iframe. So for that, I am going to privacy. Privacy page, I have iframed my cookie app in my third party application. So I am clicking privacy page. See, in privacy page also, I am navigating back to login page. But in the code, if you observe in the privacy page, I am registered home page, but it is redirecting to login page. That is because cookie has not transferred here also. Okay, so that is the functionality of the when we use strict mode. Okay, next second option is lax. So when we use sitemap as lax option, adds cookie for request, like when we open our website directly on browser or within the browser, if we navigate, cookie works fine. And also it navigates from third-party websites also, it will work when we use lax. But when it won't work means when we use iframe. So let's test it as well. So here I am specifying lax, okay, and just build the project. Now log in again. So I am successfully logged in. Now check the site name option for the cookie created. See, my identity cookie created as a lax, right? We have specified lax here, so it is created as a lax. Okay, so lax will work within the application when we navigate, right? These first 2 points, opening website on directly or navigating within the website. So anyway, in that option, for every option, these two will be work fine for every sitemap option, same site option. Okay. So now I am logged in. Now, if I go to third party application, my cookie app is already logged in, right? If I go to third party application, if I click on my cookie app homepage, now it will work. Let's see by clicking it. See, I am on navigate to mycookieapp.com homepage. Previously in strict mode, it is redirected back to login page, right? Now it is directly navigating to homepage. That is because Lax will append the cookie to the request from the third party websites as well. Okay, so here from third party websites, hrefs works in the lax mode. Here is our third point, navigating from the third party through href links work in the lax mode. Okay, now let's check the iframe. So I am on third party and I will go to privacy page where I framed my cookie app. Here, as per our discussion, it should not work for lax mode. See, it is still in login page. That means iframe won't work for lax mode. Okay, so that's about the lax mode. Next, I am going to do none. Okay, so here with none, if it has to work directly, it won't work like this. It will fail in normal login itself if you do like this means. Let me show you. Normal login itself will fail if you do directly none like this. Now let me log in again with none. Now direct login itself fails. See, direct login itself failed. If you want to check network calls, clear everything, press zero log and try again. I'm going to show home page navigates back to login page. Okay, it's not logged in. If you see, this is my login request. Okay, if you observe here, set cookie, ASP.NET identity application. Okay, it is actually set the cookie. Login cookie is set up from the login successfully. But here, yellow mark, if you hover here, the attempt of set cookie header blocked. It is not set to the browser. It was blocked because same site is none attribute but didn't add the secured attribute, which required to use same site none. So if you want to use same site none, okay, then we must add secure attribute, one more additional attribute. So for that, options dot cookie dot secure policy equal to, I want to do always. So this always secure will always marked as a true. Okay. Use this value when you login page all subsequent request authenticated identity as HTTPS. By adding this, one more thing we have to do is our website should be HTTPS only. If you do a non-HTTP also it won't work. Okay. So I am building the project. So along with the none, I have added secure. This will add secure true attribute. Okay. So successful build is successful. Now what I will do, I have already configured in my local as IIS with HTTPS. So I am going to use HTTPS. So this is a local certificate, right? But it is running HTTPS only, but that is a not a proper certificate. So that is why this red line, red color is showing. But I am on HTTPS website. Okay. So if I log in now, it will log in successfully. And I haven't shown you the overview, right? For it is logged in successfully, right? So let's discuss what are the cases HTTP same site none will works. Let's show those points. Let me show those points. So we have already the same site option. None needs some additional configuration like website need to be HTTPS. We have discussed it just now, and need to enable secure attribute. That also we have discussed it just now. So same site none option add cookie for all the cases, including iframe as well. That we are going to check now in next step. So it will work for all the cases, but our site website should be HTTPS and it should be marked as secured attribute. Okay, so those are the requirements for the uh, same site option when we configure as null. Okay, successfully logged in, and if we go here and go to application and go for cookies, see identity application, same site value none, and here is one more column secure that is ticked as true. And if you want to check in the network calls, this is our recent login, and here that yellow mark is gone and same site none, and here one more additional attribute. This attribute won't be available until we add this line of code. Okay, here one more attribute added like secure. You can see secure. Okay, that is required for the when same site option is none. Okay, so we added that. So if I go to third party application, I'm going to my home page in third party application, and if I click on my cookie, so why it didn't work means here I am using HTTP, but I have logged in as HTTPS. So what I will do, I will go here and change to HTTPS. Here also HTTPS. Okay, let me build my project and go to third party website. Once reload, if I inspect, I need to see HTTPS here. It is HTTPS, okay, and I'm clicking. See, I am directly goes to landing page because cookie is transferred for none also. Okay, and now let's check for iframe. Go to privacy page. See, welcome page. If you click here, you can see the logged in username. See, iframe also working when same site is set as a none with some additional configuration like website should be HTTPS as well as secure attribute must be added. So from this we can understand strict mode is very strict. Okay, strict mode is very strict. Only within the browsers when we directly access our website only works. Whereas coming to lags, lags can work for href links in the third-party websites, but won't work for iframe. And when coming to none, it works for all cases like iframe, third-party references, everything. but site should be in HTTPS. So there is one more option provided by the uh, .NET Core, which is not browser thing. This is provided by the .NET Core, like unspecified. So this unspecified, what it is means, let's check what is unspecified. So unspecified means we don't set any value cookie from the server, like none, lax, or one more thing, what strict. We are not setting any of these values. We are simply returning cookie without same site value. Okay. This is because some older browsers don't understand lax or none value. They will only understand strict mode. So in some old browsers, when I set none, for suppose when I set none, it won't understand what is none. At the time, normal login itself fails. Okay. Normal login, direct login itself fails, always fails because it has set unknown attribute value. Okay. So in that case, it is best to add mode conditionally by detecting the browser that won't support it. So at that time, what we will do conditionally based on the browser, what kind of browsers our login fails at that time, conditionally, we can override the same site option to unspecified. Means it won't add anything so that our normal login will definitely works. It won't work on iframe and third party, at least in those unsupported browsers, normal login will work. So our application won't break. Okay. So let's check how those conditionally added. Okay. So in startup, I have already added some code snippet. So here you can specify undefined and I'm uncommenting this code. Okay. So here on appending cookie or on deleting cookie, I have a method like check same site. So here what I am writing, some dummy condition. This is not appropriate based on your business. You have to write by default. Okay. Here it should be none. By default, I want to assign cookie as none to every of my site, to every of my cookie. But here what I am doing, by default, it will be none, right? It will satisfy this condition because prior I have added same site to none. But here I am checking with user agent. If user agent satisfies some browser that breaks that won't support none, here I am overriding to unspecified. Okay. So at that time, no option will be, sorry, no same set option will be added, but normal login will work. But third party links, all those things will be won't work. This way you can conditionally override the same set option. So, but to demonstrate what I will do, this is the real-time code you have to implement when you want to use unspecified, but to show how unspecified will work, I am directly assigning unspecified. But don't assign unspecified directly. For demo purpose only, I am doing this. So before, so if I log in again, successfully logged in. Now check the cookie sitemap mode. See, empty, nothing is there. But I am able to log into my application. But this will fail for, if I reload iframe, it will fail. Login page showing because cookie is not transferred. Same way, if I check this link, it is also fails. Okay. Third party website are able to work with none also. Sorry, only iframe will fail. But this will help to breaking of our application. If it is none, okay, and my browser won't support, at that time what will happen means normal login itself fail. So at that case, none will be helpful. But it is always avoid directly using unspecified because use whatever default specific option you want, that option only use as same site mode. But when the application is breaking in some browsers at that time, please do this conditional check and add the unspecified option. Okay, so that's all about the working of same site options of our cookie. So I hope this video has delivered some useful information to you all. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Soon we will meet you with a new video. Until then, signing off.